Searching for public rubrics. Sharing.
One last note about resources is that you have access to thousands of publicly available resources. The best way to use this is to filter by what you're looking for. So all these different filters you can use. So let's, for example, go to math, perhaps algebra, and I want to look at rubrics. So I'm going to look at the file format, and here's rubrics, and click filter. So once you filter, you'll have a bunch of different rubrics for algebra. So let's say that I have CPM Chapter 1 Team Assessment. So I'm gonna click on this one, and I've already added it. One kind of weird thing is that it doesn't show you what the rubric says, but I've already added this one because I was doing a little bit of research. So you would click add over here. Once you click add over here, it's going to put it in your personal collection and in downloads. So when you go to downloads, here's the CPM Chapter 1 Team Assessment. I can open that up and check out what the criteria were. They used a 5-point scale starting at 6, going up to 10. But you could modify this and customize it to your own grading scheme. You could take away criteria, add criteria, but it might be a good place to start just to get some ideas of what other teams are doing with their rubrics. So I'm gonna get out of that. Another thing you might be wondering is, how do I move this around? So let's say that I want to move this to a math, my math folder. So I would click move to. You would click whatever. So on my home one, I have my rubrics, but I don't have a math one. But if I had a math one, I would click, like, let's say that's math, that would go into my math folder.